Hello and good evening, everyone. How are you today? I see there's already something going on in the chat. Where's my chat? What did I miss? Clear the screen. Hey Fluffy, hi Togglebit. Hey Bear. 2 days in a row on time. Yeah, we should get you a present. Okay. Hey Peyton Rose. How's your game coming along? Get present. We banned everyone. Okay, wait, let's just ban star. What happened? It inserted the file names. Thanks, fish. Thanks, fish. Okay, I should have used quotes. Wait. Let's do that again. Yeah, let's extra ban everyone. Yeah, we're doing Java today. But it's open source work, so it's fine, I think. So basically, that's the issue we're working on today. And see how far we get, because I have no idea how to implement stuff for databases. I move my channel points back. Wait, okay, wait. Let's start. Let's start with actually making Togglebit happy and do some Java typing. Oh boy. That's already looking like Java code. I mean, it is Java code, but it's also looking like Java code. Wrong button. What? Could be better. Hey, Winch. We're doing your language today. Gonna do some Java. I'm not particularly thrilled about doing Java, but it's fine. There are definitely worse languages. Finally. Yeah, try finally, you mean. Right? I should know. At least it's not Haskell. At least it's not PHP. Let's call the devil by its name. Okay, so I already read through the ticket. Also, I was kind of hesitant to fork the repo because it was at 420 forks and I didn't want to ruin the number, but Java is bigger than Java and Haskell. Okay, now I'm banning you for real. Haskell minus the ask is where it's at. Oh. Is the audio video desync? Shouldn't be. Maybe reload the page. Maybe try that. It is for you too? Maybe it's a problem on my side then. How do I fix that? Just a smidge? Okay, then I don't care. Just pretend that we're in sync, okay? I can talk like this if you like, so you don't see my lips. Is that better? 500 million. Is that better now? Do you not see it anymore? Is it gone? Put a mask on. I got one somewhere. Restart it. Yeah, I don't want to restart my stream every time I start. Yeah, but hide your mouth before you start talking and then hold your... Just... No, okay. So basically we need to implement bit operators to make it perfect. Yeah, just troll everyone on stream. So Crate, by the way, is a Java database with SQL and document storage. And we're trying to implement a bit operator. And I have absolutely no idea where to start. So I already tried compiling. That works perfectly fine. SQL is nice. SQL is okay. SQL is okay. I do not hate SQL, but I also don't particularly like SQL. I mean, not the language. MongoDB is no, just no. Isn't MongoDB the NoSQL stuff, right? Yeah. No, that's also not true. NoSQL is not bad, but most people don't want NoSQL. Yeah, if you Google or if you're Facebook or something like that, yeah, you might need it. Okay, if you're a company with five people, I don't want SQL or NoSQL. So maybe SQL. No SQL, but isn't no SQL just SQL with extra steps? Yeah, maybe SQL maybe. PL. What's PL-SQL? What is PL-SQL? It's the spawn of... Oh! Okay. Got the order backwards. Grief. What? I mean, there is, it's called Percy. If you want single file databases in Rust. I think I looked at that, was kind of cool, but it doesn't support multiprocess, which is bad. So Satan is the spawn of PL-SQL, and PL-SQL is disappointed he's not evil enough. Wow. Usually say that all languages have merit on my stream, but PL-SQL is a toilet language and should go away. Well, talk a bit. You need to accept any language, right? SQL is a lot of fun, especially when you invent heavily optimized queries using relational algebra and then translate it. Yeah, and then you get a bug and you don't know how it works. That's my favorite part of that. All my single file databases are stored in human readable ini file. Don't you mean Tomo? It's a crime against humanity, as is PHP. Okay, I'm gonna do. Cheers. Except password fields. The bold font. I mean, just XOR the password twice, right? It's twice the security. I'm not quite sure what's happening, but... Oh! Let's do it again. Wait, that's license files. No, 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 no. It's also a comment. It's a string. Come on, give me some code. Yeah, that's fine. Why is my dot not working? What? No, I didn't. I skipped stuff. I'm sorry. I accidentally skipped stuff. Did you remove the extra space? Yeah, next week. Next week we'll be back with T-World streams. So, did you just give away all your points again? Have I seen that correctly? Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, so let's actually start. Is this how we buy not getting banned? Yeah, you you give all your points to Arctic Space Fox so he doesn't ban you. That's exactly how it works. We also take money and Bitcoin. So if you want to pay us in that, that's fine too. Need a Smurf account for double point farm. Yes, Smurf account is gonna be €5 extra, okay? But you I did ban Space Fox. That's absolutely true. User Arctic Space Fox. Can I get this in another window? No. He has more than 999 messages in the chat. Has one ban and one mod comment, and the mod comment is from me. And says, let me check. Banned him because he left my stream. That's the mod comment on why he's banned. I can't pass the type on this. So if you ever leave my stream before I end the stream, you're gonna get banned too. It's just new rule. Okay, so we're gonna implement an operator. And there are already operators in here we can look at. So let's check them out first. Oh. I didn't know that GitHub has that feature. Okay, so what's normalize? What's that all about? That's usages. Is that? No, that's also not the base definition. The base. Oh, wait. Okay, it's overridden here too. And the scalar derives from nothing. It's just an interface. So that comes from function implementation, probably. It normalizes symbol. Okay. An object type which describes the result of a table function. This could be the same as link. What? What's going on? Okay, that's not the operator we're looking for. This is not the operator you're looking for. Hiker derives from Scala. Okay, let's start with something like... Let's start with something like... equals, probably? I don't know. Okay, so we have a name, we have a signature. Where we use the name... two inputs, one output, probably. I have no idea what that does. Okay. Register is the register itself, probably. Okay, signature, bound signature. So it gets two things set. What's a signature? I need to find a way to set the same color for my bot every time. I always think there's a random person chatting with me, and it's just my bot who has a different color than the last stream, which is driving me insane. Okay. Let's see, what is a signature? Aggregate. You can set its color. Banzheim Hardbot. Yeah, I know, I just haven't looked into it. So let's go to Hardbot. Bans the ban. Damn. You do it the same as you do on your account. Okay. Twitch. So I probably can do something like client. Can do something like client probably. Client set color. No. Okay, whatever. Kid walked in and saw that. Do you like being a meme dad? Nice. What? What do you mean? No Java. Does that look like not Java to you? Yeah, Qui-Gon Jinn toggle bit is the peak of memes. So now it is. Okay, so that's basically a type for a function signature. Wait, does it need to be a function signature? Or can it be... It can be a field as well, right? No, that's also function. Have you set up LSP for Java? I did, yeah. It somehow doesn't work. I also tried to get source trail running, which, by the way, every one of you should install if you work with C++. It's a really cool project for couldn't find. Okay, remove, whatever. So I tried to open it with source trail, but it crashes while detecting all the source. Does it seal IDO? No, it doesn't. No. Source trail is a UI application where you can click through your source code. What is source trail? It's basically a source code explorer. sourcetrail.com. It's not a cat. I don't know. But they recently hired Teach. So I hope that's correct. Yep. Yep, it is. It is. And I actually bought that thing. When it first came out, it was paid. So I thought the idea was so good that I actually spent money for that. Okay. Custom. We should do a Rust plugin someday. Learn something again. That's why we're here. Hi, Renate. That's where Rust goes. C goes. Teachers were writing a lot of Rust lately. Yeah, but I think he works on NeoVim support. I think, or at least, I mean, not only he will work on more, but also on NeoVim support. Here's the link so you can check it out. I'm still not quite sure what the signature is for, but let's see. So then we have an evaluate function. Okay. That sets how much arguments we need. And basically just gets two objects and compares them. And we want to make an operator which compares two values with bit and. Wait, is there only bit and or bit or as well? Because right now that only looks like we need bit end. Okay, let's see if we can do the bit end first. Another monkey type. Could be faster. Don't do too much at first. Best to do this task bit by bit. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Ban. Crap. Should add that command. Okay, normalize. Okay, so it already has an AND operator. Can't hack me. Okay, but that goes from Boolean to Boolean, from Boolean and Boolean to Boolean. It's basically the same. What is that used for? Where's input coming from? Oh, so if it's an input, holy. Okay. If left is an instance of input and the value is null, we return function. What is function? Okay. If the value is not null and it's true, we return right. Otherwise, we return false. Of or function as is. Okay. Yeah. So if the first value is false, you obviously return true. You obviously return false. If the second value is false, you also obviously return false. That makes kind of sense. Wait. That was normalized symbol. Okay, I do not get why that is, but for now it's fine. So if both are null, return null. If left is null... Wait. If left is null and we don't... and right is false, return false, else return null. Oh, so null and true is null and false is false. Okay. Same for right, and if none of them is null, do just left and right. That kind of makes sense. So that creates a function out of the symbol? What? What is going on here? Also split visitor. Why do we need a split visitor? Okay, maybe we should check out another operator instead. Is OR better? No. I mean, it kind of is better, but Java is higher kind of HKN. Higher kinded nopes. Higher kinded nonsense. What's less than? It's a compare operator. Okay, what is the compare operator? Did you check out the equal? Compare operator is confusing. I have strict visitor factory. The thing with the thing with such the problem is that there, hey Yasmin, that there are obviously easier solutions for some of those things, but sometimes, depending on your use case, you don't actually need the easier solution. You need the more generic one. Need to top up the water. Yeah, have fun getting more water. How are you doing, Yasmin? How was your day? Okay, so what I can do is be good. I'm a bit so busy with work. Still have another meeting in half an hour. Wait. Isn't it evening for you as well? I think it's evening for you as well, right? Server source main. It is, but I start late and end the day later. Oh, okay. What are you working? Have I asked that? I know what you studied. Operation? It's not operation. It's expression. Don't think I told you. Yeah, probably not. I mean, if you don't want to share, that's fine too. Get your first graduate role a few weeks ago. That's nice. That's very cool. Yeah. But it would take forever to find a job. Yeah, it always depends, so... Yeah, big shout out to Yasmin. That I got the offer when I was still studying. Oh, that's cool. So what do we want to copy? The equals operator, right? I think that was pretty easy. Call it bit and. I'm a researcher for a health charity. That is insanely cool. Do you need a Rust programmer? Bit and operate. Bit and operator. What place doesn't need a process programmer? That's true. That's so true. They just don't know it yet. Okay, so what's the end operator named like? Op-end, okay. Oh, don't quit Vim. I need a log command as well. Okay, that doesn't seem right. Let's check those out. Those should be numbers. Supported type. What? Oh. That explains things. No. Beamstream is just, we can look at it if you like. So, another streamer I know works on Beamstream, and he basically fetches streams from the science and technology, or he fetches streams tagged with one of the development tags and basically shows them for you. So if you're searching for science and tech streams, you can go to beamstream.com and just search there, because it has a little bit better filtering than the normal Twitch stuff. I also think the Naka did his own. So it's still Twitch. It's still Twitch. I mean, maybe he embeds them and shows them there. B-stream? Yeah. Just get a bunch of bees behind me. What a great idea. Okay, so... yeah, I wanted to type a few chains. 4 bars. B stream. Their place to stream crappy B movies. Okay, let's just copy and paste that. Okay. So, where does data types come from? I think that should be up here. I mean, there is a streaming platform written in Go. Open source streaming. Yeah, which is called Project Lightspeed, which I do want to check out, and maybe we'll do a stream with that once or twice. So custom subscriber streams or something like that on a different platform, or maybe just for fun. Let's see. Oh, should give you the link as well if you want to look at it. Okay, so what are you complaining about? Unused variable probably, yeah. There's a streaming platform written in BrainFlop. There's a streaming platform written with BrainFlops, which is called Twitch. What did I miss? I rewrote everything in Rust and back again to Java while you're gone. So you missed the whole Rust part basically. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that needs to go now. Java to Rust. Yeah. I mean, I think I already talked about that. There is Android, port Android to C#. Your Volcano stream today has tempted me to do some of that tonight. Nice. So it's a long time ago that was done. 2012, the year the world the world died, and that's basically the performance numbers. Lower is better, okay? Also, Rust, I have written Rust in 4 months. You're a clever clock. Do you teach me? Yeah, so basically that was 2012, where they still ran the old Delvic virtual machine for Java, and that's basically the performance they got by automatically compiling, translating all the Java code to C#, and running the whole system on C# instead, on Mono. Which is crazy, so... That was a cool experiment, though. Okay, we need to have 2... Can I cast that somehow? That just passes it to the compare operator. Let's see. Compare operator. Okay, so basically, I don't know if I can use that. We probably should just... Okay, that uses primitive types. What are primitive types? We do not want to compare all those. I think it also doesn't make any sense to compare float values with a bit or a bit end, right? Oh, I went free, don't let us lie. You guys are trying to leave the cult. It is the cult. Okay, yeah, let's do something crazy and only allow integers for now. He's looking at Java talking about Rust code. You need to rebind. What? Is that the backtick? Yeah, mine is on my symbol key and B, so it's pretty easy to... Java is a hostage situation. My backtick is stupid. Yeah, here take mine, you can copy and paste it. Just copy and paste whatever you need. Like, don't make life so difficult. With your moon land mooners. Data types. Isn't there an integer? Data types integer. Have I missed something? I think you're just jealous because we have Moonlanders and you don't. Also, I don't even have a Moonlander, so... Data types. I'm Ergodox gang. No Moonlander for me. I mean, same company, but whatever. What's the constraint doing here? Oh, there is a swap key option? Yeah, what's there to be jealous of? Look at me, time so slow, and have to look at the keyboard. Nah, but... I mean, that goes away after a few years, right? Ergodox getting more buttons and thumb clusters, better keyboard. Yeah. Okay, let's try something crazy and actually compile that. Compile Java. Probably because it's not used anywhere. It's probably just because it's not used anywhere. It compiles, ship it. Yeah, just git push and be done with it, right? So. Rip grab. No, minus E. Or operator. Oh, there's a test as well. So expression analyzer, scene builder. That's the OR operator. No, it's not. Hey guys, I need a helping hand. Does someone of you ever made a motivation to apply in university? Not for university. Oh wait. Wait. Let me think. Maybe I did it for the FH. I'm not sure though. What do you need? What do you want? What can we help you with? Wait. Am I going crazy? Letters of intent, but not for university. Yeah, how dare he get a proper education, right? I need a template of just someone who looks over mine and give me his or her opinion. Is it in German or is it in English? German? Okay. Yeah, you can send it to me if you like, and I can look over it, but I'm not sure if there's a template for that. Yeah, just don't copy the whole thing. In German, die University. Nein! Operating team. Oh, here is the thing. Is it? That should be a logical operator, right? All the German I know is ich mag. There's an S too many. Need to get rid of the S. Ich mag Kartoffeln. Yeah, I checked, but copy and paste is not what I want. This scenario. Yeah, just plagiarize your way into a higher education. Good plan. I mean, in Austria, plagiarization is kind of normalized anyway. So, well, apparently, I don't even know that. Yeah, that's why we're here. Mächtes aus Carolans Kartoffel. I'm not a Kartoffel streamer, by the way. Okay, so what's with all the Kartoffeln and the what was Togglebit talking about? Oh, Kartoffel and Ziege. Kartoffel is potato, yeah. So no, it's not of the potato farm. And then I let the Zeige means to point at something, probably, or to show something. It depends on the context. Yeah, what you mean is Ziege, though. So, okay, when I'm done, can I send you a letter? Yeah, you can. That's completely fine. So we do the bit and operator name. Oh, I see. Well, it means something other than go to. Yeah, you can that's basically in German you call you call girls goat. What a nice language that is. Yeah, that's German for you. Related Siege. Yeah. There's a whole video on that. You should definitely not Google that though. Oh my. Siege. Yeah, German is a strange language, kinda. Okay, let's get actually rid of that for now. I still need to figure out to do get actual values. Yeah, that's true. To drive around someone and to just what's it called in English? My English is broken again. Okay, so where's the register? Have I lost the register method? No, I haven't. In English, you can drink a drink, but you can't food a food. Sharon, you can essen. You can't do trinken. Right? I mean, it probably would be Getränk, not trinken. I think it's just weird too, where your nose runs but your feet smell. Yeah, but Shield Toad is way better. Shield Toad should be international. Bring out the Shield Toads, yeah. Let's get the OR operator. Kampfkröten. It's shield toads in Scandinavian language too. Yeah, it's the only way it should be. And if the Vikings call it shield toads, everyone should call it shield toads, right? I already did that. Operator module. That's why there are no more Vikings. They try to protect themselves with toads. It was a quick. Yeah, that's what you get when you don't use the proper shield toad, right? If you're just using normal toads, it's never going to go well. Okay, I did that. Oh boy, that path. That path though. My friend was astounded by how certain words of one language translate to certain words of another language. I'm like, that's how translating works, bro. True. I mean, there are certain things which are strange, kind of. But yeah, that's basically what you get for using languages that are not German. Scene query builder. That seems like it's not that easy. Okay. English, the German, yeah, he does. Yeah, that's what most people struggle with, though. Like, OMG, the German word for hammer is literally hammer in English. I mean, the German word for pineapple is Ananas. So in German you say Ananas, and in English you say pineapple, which is completely strange. Is English gender neutral? Kind of. I think there are terms in English that aren't gender neutral, right? On what side? I may be wrong on that. I used to confuse my German friend with bananas because of that. True, but it's English. It's weird with pineapples. Literally every other language are based of ananas. Yeah, that's true. There are gender-specific terms, but it's a gender-neutral language. Yeah, so there is no der, die, das. Basically, so it's just the, which makes it easier to gender stuff. But there are, for instance, gender pronouns. So he, she, it, stuff like that is still present in English. And a thing I learned that they is a gender-neutral term for a singular person. I always thought they was multiple persons. Did you confuse your friends with gender-specific bananas? Another cool word is butterfly, Schmetterling. Yeah. I mean, you could translate with literally into the Butterfliege. They is both single and yeah, and I know that, but I didn't know the use for singular. Normally they means two or more. I try to use it more and more if I talk about a person where I don't know the gender. just because it seems like the right thing to do. It can mean one when excluding gender. Yeah. So if us Caroline did something and chose a project, I don't want to use he or she. Firstly, because I don't know, so I just want to use they. And I know some people look banana. Wow. And not a conservation about pronouns. Yeah, I get it. I get that people don't want to hear about it. And you do you, use whatever you like. I think I'm not mad at people for using a certain thing, a certain language. They is my default, not for PC reasons. Yeah. For Mac reasons then. Oh my. Or operator. I just don't get why people are so mad about the whole gendering things. Okay, Yasmin, thanks for joining. Have fun with your meeting, if that's possible. They is a lot cleaner than writing he, she everywhere. Yeah, that's true. I don't even think we have something like they in German. I mean, you could say it, which is kinda strange too. Gets you out of situations where you want to be respectful but trick the person to hell and back. Yeah, but see, you could say the person, probably. C is female form. I mean, not only, it's also... oh, crap. I think in modern terms, C falls into this category. Die. No, yeah, but just saying D is not enough, I think. Yeah, C is the polite form for you. Yeah, that's true. You should have taken the bananas. No, I don't care about the topic. I don't think it's bad to talk about it, right? Also, there's no controversy going on. There's not people saying that gendering is always bad and stuff like that. Should I add that though? That was a joke. Maybe I missed the joke then. Yeah, but you shouldn't tell people to die. I mean, if they're programming in PHP, maybe. But no, I'm kidding. Don't tell people that they should die ever. You should never assume gender because the person might be a bus or forklift, and then you would be wrong. Every topic that can't be evaluated in a pool is too complex for me. Wow. Okay, what's the other thing I want to check out? Expression analyzer. Expression analyzer. Can type. That's the thing, probably. Next. Did that. I did that. So that's next. Wait, that's the test. Quick join detector, that's the right thing. And last, and maybe least, I don't know. This is going to be wrong, but next username. I mean, if you look at it the right way, bear can already mean naked, right? Modern people be like, identify as rolls dice. You will always be Duda to me. Yeah, you will always be bear to me. Because I kind of imagine a bear programming, and I really like that image. A bear doing Rust programming on Arch Linux. I think that's glorious. Bear das Gerät. He's a cool guy, clearly. Der Apparat. Oh. Die Vorrichtung. Why is your German this good? Bear das Ding. Are you fluent German? Because I cheat. Oh, okay, get it. I get it. I do that too. I'm not conversational. Okay, so every time I'm in Togglebit's chat or in some other chat for that matter, if I want to say something and I don't remember it, I just Google it. I was in high school for 5 minutes. Already more than some other people. Wait. I have no idea what that does. Selectivity. Selectivity sounds... Dabbled in German and knows things, and I forgot the Spanish a couple of times. I tried learning Dutch because I really like the language. It's kind of like German, kind of like English, kind of not. So probably want this. Still have no idea what that does. Dutch is just a mix of German and English. Kinda, yeah. Wouldn't mind picking something back up, but I just don't have use for it outside of here, basically. Then everyone is conversational English anyway. Yeah, that's true. I still want to learn Dutch, because if the thing is, if you're in Austria or in Germany, you can actually talk Dutch and most people will understand most things, but you will confuse the heck out of them. And I just like the idea of that. Dutch isn't a hard stretch from German though, right? I know there are specifics, but yeah. Yeah, there are many specifics though. So that's the biggest problem. So it's not quite that easy. And they have strange words for things. So I think what was the I think sandwich is called boterham or something like that. Which is even strange for German standards. Bolt and ham. Butterbrot. I think it was Botraham. I could be wrong though. Let's see. Yeah. So I did remember. That's butter. That's ham. Okay. I mean, they have Krant, which is newspaper, which is amazingly cool. Butter ham. If they look at you funny, just say in a loud and stern voice, es ist, was ich sage. It is. Yeah. I said what I said. No. Okay, okay, I think I do not need this. Don't make me invade you. Oh, oh. that took a while. Yup. Visit logical binary expression. I mean, that should be... Shouldn't that be a bit end as well? See if we still compile, or if everything's dead now. Well, let me just check something. The naming choice there, just autocomplete P hard. So what is this Java code even for? It's a database. So we're working on an issue, on a feature request, to be precise, and implement bit operations. So we basically want to do bit end and see if that works. And that's what we're doing right now. It still kind of compiles. Okay, that's none of the files I edited. What did I want to check though? Oh, I know. Run the tests, no regressions mean you won, compiling or not. Yeah, I need to write a test still, so I haven't written any test right now. So let's see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are a few tests. Let's start with the operator test. So let's go to... That should work now. Yeah. Which operator did we copy first? Wasn't it the AND operator? Bit and operator test. Okay, let me try to pronounce it. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. Establishmentarianism. Yeah, talk about too easy while I'm struggling about I'm struggling to do it. You did good. Now you need to pay for that, Bear. You can't get free spellings. 555 is easy. Oh, so a function and... Oh, now I get it. So that can absolutely go. It is out of stock though. Oh, I'm sad now. I think it's every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, something like that. Oh, wait. That doesn't normalize though, because there is no normalization, right? And operator. Okay. That kind of seems like the safe word in Euro Trip. If you know the movie. If you don't know the movie, you should definitely watch it. So let's see. 1 and 1 is obviously 1. I'd be surprised if someone over like 28 didn't know that movie. Yeah, you know, I stopped watching movies some time ago, so I don't know most of them. Most of the newer ones, anyway. Also, I'm thinking about doing a subscriber movie night or something like that. So maybe that would be a good movie to watch. Someone not in a restrictive country. Yeah. Okay, so... let's comment that out for now, because I have no idea what that does. Don't watch Monster Hunter. I didn't want to watch it, actually. Because of reasons, but... I don't mind seeing it, probably. My taste in movies is really, really, really bad. I don't think that they wanted to make a good Monster Hunter movie. I think they wanted to make a movie and use the name Monster Hunter to get money out of it. Basically. So... what should that be? Probably null as well, right? That sounds about right. Without spoilers, they made a chunky movie with an open ending for sequel trash. Yeah. The only movie I'm kind of sad they didn't make a part 2. Which I understand why they didn't make a part 2, because just didn't make them enough money, is the Warcraft movie. I quite liked it. I have no idea about the Warcraft universe. I've never played Warcraft. I've never played World of Warcraft. And yeah, I did find the movie quite interesting. Yeah, I think it was okay, even for people who didn't understand what's going on. It's not bad like Star Wars bad. I haven't seen the new Star Wars movies as well. I also haven't seen The Mandalorian. So null and whatever should also be null, probably. Null is also null. For fantasy anyway, yeah. You need Disney Plus. Right. Okay, I still haven't implemented the thing though. You don't need it. Yeah, that's also true, but technically. So do I just cast it for now? Something like that? Oh wait, that was stupid. Cast it. Would I let a friend use my Netflix because I use it once every quarter? It's just... I think the greater than stuff. What's that? Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button. So that's not test, that's main? Yeah. This was the comp operator. How does that thing get the value out of it? Oh, it doesn't. It just checks if it's comparable. Huh. If you press the wrong button instead of the right button, does that make wrong left? How do I answer that? Yes. Probably yes. I know I'm doing bad things. It's fine. Keep your pitchforks away. That should work, right? Actually, that should be not null. Doesn't Java have as? Nope. That's C#. Maybe I should just rewrite it in C#, right? Okay, let's try compiling first. And then that will test it. Yeah, I wanna see the latest. That's what I'm searching for. Code base and run test with the host system JDK to do this. Yeah, let's try that. Public static s. Wow. Yeah, that seems exactly like the code I wanna have. Okay, so it still builds, which is strange. Also, hey Megafox. Not fix. Okay, what failed though? Get version failed. Okay. tests. Yeah, those are all not my tests though. Can I not do that, maybe? Tests cheat sheet. Okay, so it runs my tests, I think. Oh no! Why did you miss the stream? What happened, Megafox? I mean, missing a stream isn't that bad, right? So you can definitely miss a stream or 2 or 5, depending on on why you missed. Except if it's my stream. If you miss my stream, you're gonna get banned. If you don't believe me, ask Arctic Space Fox. He was mod and got banned because he left 5 minutes early. So be warned. Music. Is my PC dying? I need to get a proper PC ASAP. I thought my internet is dying. No. It's my side. It's my side. You're fine. I just need to get a proper PC. I'm on a gaming laptop right now. This thing is running at 87 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah, I read. A1 is the biggest internet service provider in Austria, okay? And they apparently got DDoSed, and the DDoS made the routers go bad. And I don't feel sorry for them. Like I said, biggest internet provider. And I also read that you could fix it by changing your DNS server. So someone probably just DDoSed their DNS or something like that. And they had an outage, an Austria-wide outage. Which is insane. Okay? But yeah, whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is. Come on, tests, finish. To mess with people's internet connection during a pandemic because of an act of terrorism. True. Actually true. Imagine missing missing an episode of your series you're watching. Then a server screw up with DDoS attack. Yeah, probably. I mean, maybe it's distributed. Maybe there were more than one worker involved. So maybe 2 sysadmin did the wrong thing. I don't know. Also, did I mention that my opinions I express here are my own and have nothing to do with my employer? Just want to mention that real quick. um... Almost the best day of the week. The only better one is Friday, just working until 12. Ooh, that's nice. Range and $C. That's also macro stuff, right? Come on. That's the worst one today. %77%, only 20 words per minute. Be gone, terminal. Thursday is underrated. I mean, my team lead. I mean, he's not my team lead anymore. He was my team lead. It basically says there are two moods. There is Monday mood and there is Friday mood. Okay, so the first half of the week you're in Monday mood because you're moving away from the weekend. And the second half of the week is basically Friday mood because you're moving towards the weekend, okay? So he basically says we have a 2-day work week. So Monday, Tuesday, and the first half of Wednesday is basically all Monday because you have Monday mood. And the rest of the week is basically Friday because you have Friday mood. So what is this Thursday you're talking about? Without the pandemic, it would be the open Donnerstag. Which means you know drink a beer together the last hour of work. That's cool. We did something like that when it was warmer outside because we had at the roof we could go outside, and in summer you could just sit there, drink a beer after work. You just chip out, drink a beer with your colleagues, chat a bit. It was actually quite cool. But that was sadly that was all before I started on my Crohn's medication. So I couldn't participate as much as I'd like. Come on, tests. It shouldn't have started every test. Should probably just do my tests. Welcome back, Yasmin. How was your meeting? Did it go well? Was it a chill meeting? I laughed how I was on Wednesday in HR office fixing a PC and said, endlich Bergfest. Got approval. It was good, more work to do though. Yeah, but it's work you like, right? So it's not that bad. Like you're in research. Must be good. Yeah. So I was looking for a job in research, but it's basically impossible to get a job if you didn't go to university or something similar. Also IT research is even harder because there aren't as many positions with IT research right now in Austria than with other research stuff. So if you're a chemist or biologist or something like that, and you want to get a research position, it seems a bit easier to do than if you're a programmer and want to do research with programming stuff. I mean, maybe that has changed in the last 3 or 4 years or something like that. So. Okay, while this is testing, I'm gonna take a short toilet break and get more water. So be right back. And I'm back. I did hydrate. Oh, I need to switch scenes as well. Okay. Here we go. It's still testing. One test failed. And I have the suspicion it's mine. Somehow. But let's see. Did you touch Elasticsearch today or in general? Today I did not touch it, no. Task server test failed. Oh, I did not touch that. But I hadn't run the tests before, so I mean that's good enough, right? Mismatched input ampersand. Yeah, that makes sense. So that's actually the parser that's failing. Um... let's see, what can we... Let's search for that. Do you like the Valentine's Day emotes? I mean, I'm not a big fan of Valentine's Day to begin with. But they are kind of cute though. Right? So... Oh... This is pretty real. Okay, so... Oh. Hey Trollwoods. So it's basically not parsable. The question is, how do we make it parsable? And where should it actually be? Where's the less equal? Wait, isn't it a compare operator, kind of? Nice, thanks Yasmin. That's really nice. Let's call it bit end. Does that auto-generate? Failed. Why? Okay. Now I did something. Why did I do ls? Oh, that's also not built. Compile Java, that's the thing I wanted to do. Okay. So for the tests, what's the test I need to rerun? Okay, so it did run properly. Not found. Okay, let's try that. Okay, at least that does something. Should still fail though. Oh, now it does all the tests again, right? Oh, it does the SQL parser tests. That's good. I just wanted the server tests though. Why are we testing everything? No. Oh. Only run specific test. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I called it wrong. That's possible. One failed again. Okay, let's support. Dash dash tests. Can I do that? Okay, that's how I run the test. Unsupported operator. I mean, we're getting somewhere. It's the AST builder. Okay, so that's basically where I need to add it. Spit and that's also bit and right. Comparison expression. bit and ampersand. Comparison expression type equal. Let's see where we actually find that. Nowhere. What? Less than. Oh, I can't type. That's my problem. Floats about in the mode. I mean, whatever floats your boat, right? That's always false, though. You got time constraint on for your mic and camera. Got a little desync. I have probably not. I have also no idea how to do that. So, is that something in OBS? Yeah. Hotkeys. I can right-click my mic. Oh, here. Properties. My properties page is empty. That's my properties page. So. Yeah, Linux. But still. I have no idea. We had the problem earlier already. Okay, so what does that do? That's always false. I do not understand. Oh boy. Okay, let's reword that. Or do we want to reword that? Maybe it isn't equals. That's always true. Okay, that confuses me. Five and 3 equals 1? Are you sure about that? No. Mother flopper. Spoiler. So let's see. And salt equals 5 and 3. But yeah, that should be 1 though. Yeah, it's 1. 6 and 11 is 2. 3 and 2 is 2. 6 and 11 is 2? I don't think so. That's 2? What? Oh yeah. Fiend 430. 430, yeah. We're doing bit operators. Yes, we do. But I'm gonna end the stream for today probably. Gonna do an early return. 1 and 1 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. Yeah, but 0 or 1 is 1. So your argument is invalid. Think about it. Quickly redeem monkey. Let's do it. Let's do it for Togglebit. Try Nand. Okay. Oh, we're in the C project still. Come on. Nope. No macro code, please. Okay. I'll take it. NAND is easier than AND. There is a cool project called From NAND to Tetris. I have a macro called Frost and Return. Yeah, so NAND to Tetris, it's basically a course where you start with NAND gates and build up from there until you have a whole PC running your own OS which can run Tetris. So, if you want to learn more about computers in detail, does my bot show that? No. Okay, so let's do a Twitch search. See who's online. So we have game dev. Listening to French house while he reads a Rust book. Yup. Do like the name though. I mean, pair programming sounds cool, right? Okay, do you have any preferences, or should we just do... Because WebAssembly is cool. WebAssembly is cool. Okay, 1, 2, or 3. Who do you want to rate? Who do you wanna rate? 1, 2, 1, 3. Yasmin going for the French house. 1, 2, 3. 55. That's not quite in range. That's an out of bounds exception. Is there a rent? Okay. Are you ready? Okay, so we get another free from Bear Cool. Bear Cool Cow says Muma. So we have 1, 2, 2 frees. Do we go with 3? Or do we get I was born ready? Then I wasn't, but now I'm again. So we rate the spider, if that's correct. Or do you want to do the random again? Hey, Ergo. We're kinda wrapping up right now, and Ergo decides. Okay, Ergo, who do you want me to rate? Classic Cat, deleted user, or Itsy Bitsy Spider? We have Rust WebAssembly, French house music, and Rust, and Time Spiders. Yeah, no influencing our voters, please. That's a bannable offense. I don't know. Just pick one at random. It's fine. Well, I mean, what's the worst thing that can happen? We're not gonna ban you. Hey, tell me, Luca. Okay, let's do it the proper way. Free? Definitely not. Maybe. Okay, there are so many frees already. Let's do it. Let's go to the spider stream. Thanks for the non-rust stream. Yeah, wait. What day is today? Today's Thursday, right? I'm confused now. Yeah, today's Thursday. So, no stream tomorrow. By the way, decided to run Arch on my work laptop for the streaming stuff. If I ever stream again, nice. Yeah, so probably no stream tomorrow. I need an extended non-streaming day. So, yeah. Just end work early and then work a little during weekend. True. Yeah, for me it's like if I stream Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I need a break someday because I also work every day 8 hours. So 10 is too much work for something like that. I need it kind of reliable. Ha! Should have gone for Arch then. Tomorrow I forget what day it is until Thursday again. Okay, so oh, we don't have much time left. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for joining. I hope you had a great stream. And we'll see each other on Monday. Bye.
I am Hardliner.